Hello traders, you're welcome to this video, and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Well, in this particular video, we're just going to be tackling a concept that separates the retail crowd from the pros. All right, and that is how to trade buy side and sell side liquidity using LuxAlgo indicators. Now, if you have been wondering where the smart money is hiding their orders, or why price always seems to hit your stop loss before reversing, then this is the video that you have been waiting for. All right, let us just quickly start with the basics. Now, buy side liquidity exists above resistance zones. All right, above resistance levels. You can find buy side liquidity above resistance levels. All right, or previous highs, or key price zones where buy stops from retail traders accumulate. Then sell side liquidity, on the other hand, lies below support levels or swing lows, places filled with sell stops, right? Now, market makers and institutions love to hunt these zones before making the real move. Right now, this is where LuxAlgo comes in. The LuxAlgo's smart money concepts indicators The LuxAlgo's smart money concept indicator okay, let's just talk about the smart money concept. So you can see that this particular indicator by LuxAlgo, the smart money concept indicator, it makes identifying these traps so much easier. All right, it makes identifying these traps so much easier. You can see that this indicator highlights break of structure levels, change of character, and helps you, identify these order block zones. Right, helps you identify these order block zones. So now, instead of guessing where the liquidity sits, this indicator highlights buy side and sell side pools, giving you a visual guide of where price is likely to manipulate before the actual trend takes off. Okay, so let's just break it down on the chart. Here you can see that, for example, price pushes up into, from this sell side liquidity pool. You can see that price pushes up. Here you can see it got rejected and climbed all the way to this buy side liquidity pool. Came down, got rejected around this zone again, and now it is moving upwards. All right, so what makes this even powerful is confluence. When LuxAlgo's liquidity zones align with support and resistance imbalance zones or breaker blocks, you get ultra high probability trade setups. You are not just guessing anymore, you are trading with logic, structure, and data. So how do you trade it? You have to identify the liquidity zones. All right, you identify the liquidity zones using the LuxAlgo smart money concept indicator, one of the indicators out there that you can make use of. Then you wait for a sweep, right? You wait for a liquidity sweep, because once the zone has been identified, you wait for a liquidity sweep. Price should get to that level, sweep some liquidity, and start reversing. Okay, price must violate the level and fake out the breakout or breakdown. Then you look for a shift in market structure or confirmation candle. All right, then you enter with a tight stop below or above the sweep. Let's just go to a smaller time frame. Okay. So when you are entering your trade, for example, using this as an example, your stop loss can be just above the zone. Once you are certain that the reversal or the continuation is ongoing, okay, ensure that the continuation has been validated. Then you can enter your trade. Stop loss can be above the zone that is for a sell. If it's a buy, it can be below the zone. Then your take profit, you can use the next key zone, or you can use a fixed risk to reward ratio. Ensure that you have a good risk to reward ratio, minimum of 1:2. All right, it's really that simple once you get used to it. Okay, to wrap it up, mastering buy side and sell side liquidity using LuxAlgo indicators puts you in a step ahead of the herd. Okay, it's about understanding the traps and turning them into opportunities. Whether you scalp or swing, this strategy can plug into any trading style. Okay, it's super easy to use. The indicators are available. The indicator is available for you to take advantage of, but ensure that you observe proper risk management. This indicator will help you highlight these important zones, but the indicator is not going to do your risk management for you. It's left for you to decide your lot size. It's left for you to decide how much percentage of your account you're risking at a time. It's left for you to decide how much of your money you are risking. Okay, so those are practices that you have to enforce on your own. Not trading with an amount you cannot afford to lose, not risking more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade, and not entering a trade if you do not have a good risk to reward ratio. All those risk management practices, they are left for you to enforce. Okay, so ensure that you stick to the rules, ensure that you abide by proper risk management practices, and you are good to go. Okay, so basically, if this video brought you any value, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips that actually work. Drop a comment below if you have used any of the LuxAlgo indicators before, or if you have any questions about the smart money concept indicator. I look forward to hearing from you. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.